Yoga, yeah man, we're there at Flavaz Jamaican Grill restaurant here in Riverview, Florida. Take a trip down to Fort Myers and say me I go drive about 2 hours come make sure so me try some good Jamaican food. They had some good reviews online, so you know more I try it out and see what's up. But right now me I go and chew up on a beef patty and I wait for the food get ready. So you know I want to make you guys see what's going on. Reviews was good, I'm gonna taste it and let you guys know what's up. You know what I mean? So, like me always say, one love, more love, righteousness. Mantiga baby, check back with me. Yeah, go. Yeah, man, so we get the food and we're ready to eat, you know. So, dip on the outside here, cause you know, it's so warm down here, man. I'm coming from the cold in Utah. Anytime we get some nice warm weather, I like to enjoy it. So we outside here, put the spread in at the back of the car and we'll taste what I want. So, here we go. Alright, so what we have here is jerk chicken with rice and peas, plantain and some veg. Rice and peas tastes good. Have the nice cabbage vegetable here. Yeah man. You get sauce with this as well. I like try my thing natural before me hit the sauce, you know? And then we have the chicken here. Yeah. Some of me like the skin, you know? Yeah, man. Alright, so this is the wing here. Boy, my killer. Just like that. I play with the sauce like more still. Now the curry chicken here. Yeah. Potato and them thing there. You see, when you know you're there at a good Jamaican restaurant, I have some veg in the curry. Potato and them thing, they know so them care. You look cheap on them when I want to put nothing at all but meat. Them one you don't want to mess with, man. Alright, so that's the curry. And the last thing you might try are the brown stew. Brown stew chicken here look good. Our jerk chicken is spicy. Woo! Alright, here we go. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yo. Yeah, hear me? Flavors, the food is good. Enjoy it, man. I go deal with the rest off camera because I go get down and dirty, you know what I mean? Like a pretty thing when I eat, I have to get deep. So, like me always say, family, one love, more love, righteousness, Mantiga baby. Stay tuned for another one. Come check out Flavaz Jamaican Grill, Riverview, Florida. If you're in this side, definitely come link them up because them food good. You hear me? Bless up yourself. Look more.